First topic of today is WMS inbound. WMS inbound flow goes. We have a truck arrives with a packing slip. On the packing slip, we have the purchase order number. The warehouse employee is receiving the goods via the scanner. A quality controller is checking the quality of the product with the tablet. And the warehouse employee is putting away the inventory to the storage bin. We set up an inbound bin and a storage bin. We have set up quality specifications. We have set up the quality order workflow and enhanced receipt containers. And with the pass-fail criteria, we're going to switch the inventory status. Also, when the quality order is created, the inventory status change will be right ahead to QC check. The item. Underneath the item, we need to set up the quality specification context. And this is a connection between the item, specification from the quality order, and the action, what is triggered the workflow. It's Quarantaine version 2. The inbound flow is, we receive something, WMS, a quality order is created, the inventory status will be changed to QC check. When the quality order values will result a pass, then it will be changed to the status. But when it is result to a fail, then it will be changed to the inventory status blocked. Afterwards, we're gonna do a bin put away to put the inventory back to the storage bin. I'm now the warehouse employee who want to receive a purchase order. So you go to WMS. The warehouse is automatically selected. We're gonna go to receiving of a purchase order. You can scan the purchase order. You can also select the purchase order from a list or from a vendor. But for now, we're gonna scan the purchase order number. Now you can see all the items that needs to be received. You can see when you turn the received on the received quantity. For now, I will turn it off. Here we can, invisible or visible columns, what you want to show or what you want to hide. For now, we scan the M0001, it's the T-bone steak, and we have here the auto-generate lot functionality inside of it. The setup is we have the auto-generated lot number. I want to have the supplier lot as my internal lot. So my supplier lot of the item, I scan it as well if it is possible. Otherwise, I type it in. And I have here the feature of the country of origin. Now, this meat comes from the Netherlands. And we press on the auto-generated lot. You can now see that the supplier lot number is used as an internal lot number. We can now enter the expiry date of the product. It's visible on the product, so like 18/02/2025, for instance. And we enter the lot. Now we come in an enter quantity screen, so we can check how much of those quantities I want to receive, if it is partial receive or it is more or less. But for now, I just enter 500. You can also change the inventory status here. It's not applicable because we want to automatically change it via the quality orders. Also, you have here the print functionality. It's not a part of the demo, but via a connection, you can immediately send prints to the printer. You can also change multiple units. So I want to receive cases of 12, or cases of 24, but for the demo, I only want to receive 500 each. I enter the quantity, and then we can scan the bin. So what we did, received the item, we connected the lot, connected the expiry date, and now we check it on in what inbound bin we want to store it. Put it on the inbound bin. We scan another item, enter, and we do the same thing over and over again. So scan here supplier lot, auto-generated lot. You can also skip it and then enter a lot by yourself. When the item doesn't have an expiry date, just enter the lot. And you don't have the expiry date based on the lot. 750 each. Enter. And we scan the bin, dus the inbound bin. In the quality tablet, we can see that there's a quality order created based on the item receipt we just did. But also on the inventory balance, you can see that the inventory status of the lot of the item that we just have received is on QC check. The status does not allow to commit the inventory. That's why the availability is 0. And also you have 500 received. So 500 is now on hand. The quality controller has a tablet. Clicking on the thing that we want to control, and they already filled in the pallet top temperature, the pallet mid temperature, the pallet top bottom temperature. When you check the question mark, and you can see here the minimum temperature needs to be 0, or the maximum needs to be 4. When I do, for instance, 5, so the pallet top temperature is too high, and I've set the pass fill criteria, and I record the thing, then you can see it is a fail of the quality order. When I do press finish inspection, then the QC status will be changed to blocked. It's not a part of this demo, but this is what happens. When I put it here 4, everything is green. This is an halal. Then I record, and then we can see it will return a pass. Put on the finish inspection, and in this way the workflow is triggered. We'll be putting the inventory status not on QC check, but on good. This takes some small time, but when I think I refresh it, it's not yet processed, but the workflow will trigger the event. You can see now that the bone steak inbound of this lot, status is good, there are 500 available and 500 hand, ready to place in the bulk bin. Now I am the warehouse employee. We'll put away the inventory. We go back to the WMS section, and we put on receiving, put away, and we're gonna do a bin put away. You have all inbound staging bins here. So we put on the inbound bin, and here we can see which items we can place from the inbound bin to the storage bin. Now you can see here the 500 eaches of the lot we just received with the inventory status good. I want to move 500 of those eaches to the pick bin. You can also put it in the storage bin, and then from the storage bin we can replenish to a pick bin. This will be the next section. You can do the next put away, press again the inbound bin, and you can put away the other item.